Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I am from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Today, we're having a look at what seems to be a yearly release by DJI, the latest edition in their mobile phone gimbal series. Of course, we are talking about the Osmo Mobile 6. Without further ado, let's dive right in and see some of the improvements to this new mobile phone gimbal. Obviously got our instruction booklets and all of our user manuals, which is incredibly handy. This looks remarkably similar to, of course, the OM5, although of course we have the new slate grey colorway, which I actually think looks really cool. Actually reminds me of the original series of Osmo Mobile, the OM1, or the Osmo Mobile it was called back then, which had a darker finish, which I think looks quite cool. Of course, this is the same system that we had on the OM5, which is the magnetic mounting system. So simply line the DJI logos up and bang, and then this is of course spring-loaded to hold your mobile device into the gimbal itself. The other big difference that we notice apart from the color of the Osmo Mobile 6 is this new side control wheel. Now this wheel allows you to do precise adjustments to your zoom and focus, which is a big improvement from the OM5, which just had a very simple switch function. We also have the LCD screen here, which allows us to monitor things like battery life, as well as whatever mode the gimbal is currently in. And just like the OM5, we also have the built-in extension rod, which was really popular, and I'm glad that they've carried it over to the new one as well. When mounting it to your phone, you have a little indicator here, which is a little camera symbol and a little arrow. Just make sure that that arrow is pointing to the end of your mobile device that has your camera. Then you simply line up the DJI logos, and you are ready to go. Now, some of you might have noticed when I first unfolded the gimbal, it made the sound of it turning on. Now that's because of the new quick launch function, which gets you up and ready to film much quicker than the OM5. All of your favorite creative intelligent features are back with the Osmo Mobile 6, including time-lapse, dynamic zoom, and Active Track 5.0. The Osmo Mobile 6 also makes it easier to tell stories with story mode and shot guides, which help you to compose and capture shots and edit them together for really fun results. The Osmo Mobile 6 has a very similar battery to the OM5 at around 6 hours operating time. The Osmo Mobile 6 is compatible with all the latest smartphones weighing more than 170 grams and less than 290 grams. This includes all the recent iPhones, Samsungs, Pixels, and more. If you'd like to check if your phone is compatible, you can check it out in the comments below. Well, that's about all we have time for today. These are currently in stock and you can check them out on our website if you think this is going to be a great fit for your needs. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.